Yeah, eat more fruits. The raw food and raw fruits gives more awareness, and less sleep is needed. You can experiment. So experiment is like this, that for 3 weeks, 3 weeks to 4 weeks. That means it takes 1 month to adjust in our body to experiment in a proper to get the results. It's one we need to practice for more than 30 days, 30 days to 40 days, because the reason is, the moment you started eating more fruits and more raw diet, in our body the toxins are there, right? The toxins get flushed out slowly. It takes 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, sometimes maximum 4 weeks. So once the toxins are reduced, then automatically sleep time also reduced. Okay, so to get the results, we need to practice for more time. But initially what happens is, when the toxins are going away, flushing away, it demands more sleep, because body is adjusting to change. A lot of changes are happening. Then it takes more sleep also, or same amount of sleep also. But in order to reduce your sleep time, if anybody is sleeping more than 8 hours, more than 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours, then what happens is, they need to change these things. Instead of cooked food, take it 1 time or 2 times. Rest of the time we take more and more raw food and fruits. Okay, so and also, when you are practicing this kind of a change of diet, you consult your dietitian. Otherwise, just see, for example, I'm doing 100 push-ups a day, and when I take the food in a diet, I change the diet. I take only 1 time the solid meal, normal meal, cooked food, and other 2 times, not 2 times, I would say, other times I take only fruits or raw vegetables. Only 1 time the rice, rest of all the times. It could be sometimes 5 times, sometimes 6 times. The reason is because I do exercise. Every 1 hour, I need to take some fruit. Sometimes the lunchtime, especially if I'm skipping the lunchtime, I'm eating only in the evening time, 4 o'clock or six. After 6 o'clock, I eat solid food, for example, 6 to 6:30. That's half an hour. I take any food, normal food, the cooked food. But otherwise, that apart from that 6 to 6:30, all the other time, yeah, which is the preferred solid meal, means whatever you're doing all these years. So that's a preferred meal. So it's instead of changing drastically, we go gradually. So the other times, morning to evening, for example, the moment I wake up more hungry, so every 1 hour, half an hour, I take fruits for 3 to 4 times. In the afternoon, for example, afternoon time, especially that 1 to 2, that period, I take sometimes because of fitness levels I maintain. Sometimes 2 times or 3 times also I take the juices or fruits. So what happens is, the number of times the more number of times we need to take when you're taking fruit. If you fill your stomach with the fruit, then maybe less times. But if you're eating only one apple, then probably in half an hour you might get hungry, right? So like that. Okay.